What does it do, my silly gaggle of geese? Before we get into the autocross video and the autocross shenanigans, there's one thing that I do want to ask, and that's for all my sub 200 viewers. It's since I'm going to be pumping out autocross content, I would like to know what type of point of views you would like. Would you like a driver slash helmet point of view? Plus the Insta360 in the sky, just kind of showing you what's happening on the outside. Today I'm going to have the camera basically be on the windshield pointing towards me, and that's going to be the point of view that I'll have for this video. Also, can I add anything else? Maybe this Rode mic system will go with me and be inside of my helmet so I can talk as I am driving, or as I'm like accelerating, decelerating, adding the brake pedal, whatever the case is. Also, do you want to listen to some turbo noises? Maybe instead of listening to me, I can probably slam this guy somewhere in the engine bay, and you can listen to whooshy sounds instead of me yapping. So I'd like to get your genuine opinion and genuine thoughts. If I have to get more cameras and add more to the inventory, I'd be more than happy to do that. It would just be a question of what's going to produce the most watchable content for new viewers and for my current viewers. So with that being said, please enjoy the autocross video. It's been this one was really good. First time that the e30 doesn't have any issues at the track, so I'm very proud of that.
saw one cone.
¿Mande?
I only saw one cone.
Oh, we hit a cone?
Uno.
Fuck!
Creo. No sé si era tuyo o de la otra persona.